Buying a house should not be that hard. And I see a lot of people make mistakes buying a house that has foundation issue. And it costs them 20, 30, up to 50, $60,000 to fix the house. But all that problem can be avoided. Hello, my name is Dahir. If you don't really know me, I'm a real estate agent in metro area up to St.cloud and registered. I help and guide people buy their first home or sell their house. If that's you, you should definitely reach out to me. I will make your life a lot easier. And buying a house is a very difficult decision. And sometimes you just need someone to guide you along the way. And I want to be that person for you. So what I'm going to show with you is on this YouTube video will be anything related to real estate. And if that's exciting to you, you should definitely actually subscribe to my channel for future videos. I'll be sharing with you how you can fix your house, things, anything related to real estate, an inspection, all the process that you need to do. For my next video, I will share with you anything about housing related issues, about real estate, how the market is doing. I will share with you all the tips and tricks that can improve your life. So, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for